All right, everybody, so it is actually a couple of months later, and I got the wagon all set to go. I am editing this far in the future from when I actually recorded, but I did some stuff off camera that you didn't see, so let me show you the finished result here. So let me show you. All right, everybody, this is my daughter, Ainsley. Say happy birthday, Ainsley. And I gave her wagon here. So what I did is I just went ahead and got some wood and I got it painted. And I just screwed it on here and got it all set to go. She's getting anxious to take this bad boy for a spin. But give me a second here, and I'll show you pulling her around. So give me a sec. Okay, we're going. Yeah. Whee! Oh, okay, we got, hold on for safety. Alrighty. Thanks again for watching my videos, guys. We'll catch y'all next time. Peace.